Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian P. Mendoza. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, September 11, 2025. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutuloy ating series which is a seminary edition. Specifically, ang topic po natin for this day is about sinless perfection. Kanino ka patay na patay? And now, para po sa araw na to, ang talata po natin ay magagaling sa Colossians chapter 3, verse 5. Sabi po rito, basahin ko po. Put to death, therefore, whatever belongs to your earthly nature, sexual immorality, impurity, lust, evil, desires, and greed, which is idolatry. Na upang ating mas maunawaan kung anong ibig sabihin ng talatang ito, at upang mas maintindihan natin ang ating devotion, ngayon po tayo po itadako sa ating teaching for today. So yung gospel po, it reminds us of three powerful truths about kay Kristo, or kung sino nga ba talaga si Kristo. So una po, tayong mga tao, we are sinners, and once naniniwala tayo kay Kristo, through faith we are saved by grace, and none of us can boast, since hindi nga po natin kayang iligtas ang ating sarili, and because it's only through God's mercy and Christ's sacrifice that we are forgiven. Ikalawa po, we are called to die to self every day. So yung pagsunod po natin kay Kristo, it means putting aside selfish desires and pag-choose po natin or choosing His will over our own. Yes, mahirap, and it may be challenging at first, but trust me, it's all worth it. Dahil ang Diyos hindi niya tayo kailanman pababayaan. Ikatlo po, we will be made perfect at the resurrection. Tandaan po natin na yung buhay natin dito sa mundo, hindi pa po ito yung end ng buhay natin. Dahil isang araw po, darating po yung araw ng muling pagbabalik ni Kristo. And that day, He will completely transform us, wherein tatanggalin niya lahat ng trace ng kasalanan, lahat ng weakness, imperfection, and we will be fully like Him. So ngayon po, tayo po itadako sa ating application. So ano nga ba yung mga dapat nating gawin or apply sa ating mga buhay? So una po, just like what I said earlier, die to self daily and surrender your will to God. So ngayon pa lang, practice na natin. We can practice like saying, not my will, but yours. In your decisions, sa mga decision mo sa buhay, yung attitude mo, even yung actions mo, practice mo, i-surrender lahat sa ating Panginoon sa Kristo. Ikalawa po, do your best in everything for God's glory. So kahit saan pa yan, whether sa school, sa work, or even sa family mo, ibigay mo lahat ng ibigay mo yung 100% mo, not for your own good, not for human applause, but to glorify Him, to honor Him. And then ikatlo po, depend fully on the Holy Spirit for empowerment. Alam mo po, you can't live this life in your own strength, using your own strength, but the Spirit gives you the power to obey, to endure, and thrive as a follower of Christ. Marami po tayong natutunan sa araw na ito.